Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can possibly fix the issue if your ProForm 2000 like is not working and you want to reset it. So I just found this in the menu. Maybe it's going to fix it manual. To reset the displays, press the stop button. So you want to press the stop button, remove the key, and then reinsert the key. So this is the first thing. Maybe it's not going to fix it, maybe don't. The second thing that you can try to do is that what you can try to do, you want to look for a pinhole from the back. Maybe it's going to look like this. I will show you right here. Maybe it's going to look like this. Somewhere is going to probably be the pinhole. Look like around here. Just look around here. If there is going to be some pinhole that is going to look like a reset button, it's going to look like here, or even it can look like here, right? It can be like a pinhole from the left side or from the top side. Now you want to look for it, and what you want to do, you want to take a paper clip and just insert it right there, and you want to press and hold. You want to have turned off the whole like device, whole treadmill. Then you're just gonna press it and hold it there for, let's say, 20 for like few seconds. Then you're gonna turn it back on, and that can possibly also work for you. Now I don't know if it's going to fix it or no, if I'm just making this up. If this video is useless, I'm sorry. I tried to just like find a solution for you, but it's difficult because there just isn't any information there. And have a great day and goodbye.